Yeah. Good day, everyone, and today you're welcome to Setro Craft channel. I remain Joket Soluwani Setro. Yes, so what are we going to be discussing today? Before we discuss anything, I want to say thank you to all that have subscribed to this channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. And I want to say a big thank you to all those that sent me shout out messages on my 40th birthday. Get it's not easy. Okay, thank you so very much, and you shall always and also be celebrated. I really do appreciate you. Lots of kisses to you out there. So today, what are we discussing? We're discussing niche. Niche. Okay, are you new to the fashion industry? What is a niche? A niche is just a specialized segment of the market. Yes, a particular segment of the market. So when we're talking about fashion, the fashion industry, you've always heard me say it over again. The global apparel industry is such a big word, and it's worth trillions of dollars, and it's even expected to rise in coming years. For you to succeed in this fashion industry, you have to niche down. Yes, so many people will just say, I want to scale, I want to succeed, I want to do this, I want to do that. But for you to succeed, you have to be known for something. You have to be top of mind when it comes to something. You see people like Vicky James, she has niched down towards in her designs. Maybe she's focusing on bespoke and she does a little ready to wear, but her designs are structured design, waist snatching designs that whenever you think of, I need something gorgeous, something that will really show my structures and every other thing, you think of a brand, Vicky James and the likes. And you see some other brands, their own strengths, like when you see a brand like My Atafo, their own strength is in the male sector, is in the men's fashion world, making what the likes of bespoke suits in Severos that I mean real bespoke suits that can make great statements anywhere in the world, and that is his own niche. Although after he has niched down, later on he was able to scale into female, what's it called, wedding gowns and the likes. But you not see him going into maybe making of boxers and the likes. Do you understand? So when it comes to bespoke suits, you think of Maya Tafo. When it comes to gorgeous, luxurious wares, like that are meant for celebrities or occasions, you think of Diola Sego, and various brands have what they're known for. So you have to decide in this fashion industry, what's your niche? Yes, what's your niche? What do you want to be known for? It's good you are going to scale. Yes, you're going to scale, like you're going to go into so many other aspects later on. But what do you want to be known for at the start? You have to be top of mind of people, of your proposed customers. When it comes to a particular thing, you might just be in the segment of shoe making, in the segment of bag making. You see somebody like Kenneth Ize, it goes into shoe making, bag making, it goes into different aspects. So you have to think of what you really want to be known for. You have to make sure that that thing is accentuated, is emphasized. You are known for that everywhere, and then you can scale. Just like for those of us at Setro Fashion, when it comes to our brand, we are known for ostentatious occasion wear. So you don't come to us with little wear. Maybe you're just going as you want to. No, we don't make that. When you will make real statement pieces that are really worth the value. So that's just it. And I think I just thought of sharing today. For you to have a voice, for you to stand out in this industry, you have to really discover your needs, niche down before you scale up, and it's really going to help you. And for more of this, you don't want to miss out. Over this weekend, we're gonna be having a second batch of our group RTW seminar. Yes, the first batch, which is great one, and people started making headway. Some about commencing their production, their brand, and every other thing. So even those that have attended before, some have started their brands and they're there. So you have to decide that you have to start now, because tomorrow might be too late. So for the registration details, kindly reach out to us on our numbers showing below. We'll send you the registration details, and you should also remember that we have our private mentorship sections for those going into RTW as well. And we also run a garment production factory that will take off the stress of production, this, that, so that I can focus on the main thing. So that's just it today. Till I come your way next time, make sure you keep your joy, because your joy is your strength, and make sure you register and you know all it takes to start and run a profitable RTW brand. Till then, catch you. Love you. Bye bye. Yeah.